Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let's take a closer look and review a charging case from Telesin that's called Multifunctional Battery Case that's compatible with GoPro 9, 10 and 11. So this accessory in here can charge up to 3 GoPro batteries at the same time, and you can also store your free microSD cards in it. So let's take a closer look at it now. So what makes this product quite interesting is that it can save you quite a lot of time when it comes to charging your GoPro batteries. GoPro cameras don't come with a charger in the package, so when it comes to charging 2 or even more batteries, this can be a little bit time consuming. And Telesin product lets you charge up to 3 GoPro batteries all at the same time. So instead of wasting your time swapping your batteries in and out, you can just charge 3 of them simultaneously. Plus, you can also charge 1 extra battery inside of your camera, so that's gonna be like 4 GoPro batteries at the same time. What's really cool about this accessory is that every single battery has its own status indicator. Now let me quickly connect a charger to it and notice that when you charge your batteries, you know exactly how much power you have in them. However, if you are not currently charging it and you are somewhere outside preparing for the shoot, you can still check your battery status by simply opening it up. And with just a simple glance, you can notice which batteries are fully charged and which one are almost empty. Now, what's also cool about this accessory is that even if you don't use it, it provides some sort of protection for your batteries, because it simply helps you keep things organized and in one place. As you can see, I can have 3 GoPro batteries and 2 microSD cards, nice and protected. As you can see, its body is pretty slim. It's just slightly wider than the battery itself, so you can easily fit it into your pocket or simply throw it into your camera bag and it won't take much space in there. So this is what Telesin Multifunctional Battery Case has to offer. And this accessory, if you're only interested in the charging case itself, costs around $22, which isn't that much. However, you can always bundle it with 2 stamina batteries for around $50 on official Telesin website. So I think it's totally worth it. Now, if you didn't know, stamina batteries are the latest batteries from Telesin, which are designed to withstand cold temperature and extend your battery life overall. Honestly guys, having a charger for your GoPro is definitely a must-have, simply to speed up your charging process when it comes to your batteries and not waste your time. What I really like about this product is that I can quickly check whether my battery is fully charged or maybe it's empty. So I don't have to put the battery inside of my camera just to check that. That can make my life so much easier. For today's video, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video. Bye!